Welcome back to Rails Minute, where you can find out more about what is happening with the library system. I'm Dan Bostrom, Rails Director of Marketing and Communications, and I'm here with Monica Harris, Rails Executive Director. Hello, Monica.
Hello, Dan.
So, happy 2024. As we start the new year, you may see some new faces around Rails. So shortly before the holidays, we announced our new Director of Consulting and Continuing Education, Kate Niehoff. Can you tell us a little bit more about Kate and what to expect from Kate's role?
Yeah, we're so excited to have Kate on board. She just started with us on January 8th. Before Kate came here to Rails, she was the Director of Community Engagement and Partnerships at the Schaumburg Township District Library. And previous to her work at Schaumburg, she worked in Arlington Heights, Forest Park, and Melrose Park. She brings a rich history and understanding of libraries and sort of the opportunities and challenges that they face. In addition to her work in libraries, she's also worked on several committees, including the Recharge Committee and Laconia Pop, and she was one of the founding steering committee members of the Illinois Libraries Present program. So we know she brings a lot of great things to Rails, and we're really excited to see how our continuing education and consulting will move forward under Kate's leadership.
Yeah, welcome, Kate. And if you happen to see Kate at an event, at a continuing education event, please feel free to say hi. So something we're also very excited about is the official launch of the SLATE project. So can you talk a little bit about that project and what people can expect?
SLATE stands for School Library Advocacy Through Education. So the SLATE project, as many of you have heard before, is sort of an advocacy tool that's really meant to capture a lot of missing data around school libraries in Illinois. Jeanette DeRucky, who's here at Rails, has been working on this project for years now, really trying to get a dashboard together that really shows exactly what the landscape of school libraries in Illinois looks like. And we're really excited to be able to debut this tool, which we hope will be a really amazing advocacy tool that shows the importance of having a well-funded and well-staffed school library in every community. Jeanette recently did a program just kind of showcasing the dashboard at a networking event, and she actually has another one coming up at our sister system, the Heartland Library System, on February 13th. That is actually open to anyone in the state, so if anybody would like to see another demonstration, that is definitely something that is available to them. But we are really excited to continue to highlight some of these statistics that we have found through the SLATE project in our social media, so you can expect to see some of those things in the next few weeks.
Yeah, and another great opportunity to hear from Jeanette and hear a little bit more about the SLATE project is our Rails member update, which is on Wednesday, February 14th at 1 p.m. Registration is open for all of you out there watching this or listening to this. What other important topics are going to be covered at that event?
Yeah, we're really excited to have the member update. We're going to be highlighting a few topics, including libraries who are serving migrants. We're going to be having a long demo of our SLATE project so people can learn more about that as well. So it'll be a great event. We'll also be sharing more about what's going on at Rails.
Yeah. So on the business side of things, the annual certification process is happening right now. Can you tell us a little bit about what that is and what people should expect?
So each library needs to complete its annual certification for system membership on the L2 website between January 2nd and March 31st. Before starting certification, also libraries should complete the latest ILLINET statistical survey, and the 2024 certification form includes optional data collection sections for school libraries, public libraries, and special libraries. If you need help with certification, please, you can check the FAQ that we have available. You can watch a video demonstration of certification, which we can link in the notes for this, as well as you can submit the contact form to be connected directly with Rails staff. So certification is a really important process, but we want to make it as easy for you as we can. So if you have any trouble at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Yeah, we're here to help, so please do take advantage of that. Lastly, our most commonly used resource is delivery. So we've got some developments about delivery. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Well, all libraries that receive direct delivery have to complete a quarterly delivery count. This is a really important process for us, and we really appreciate the work that our libraries do in putting that together. But to ensure that the count is performed and that the data is entered on time, we really want to encourage all of our libraries to check their designated system delivery contact in L2. And we especially want to encourage you to do that before the next delivery count, which is February 5th through the 9th. So if you could just double check, make sure everything's up to date, that'll make sure that we have an accurate count and accurate communications for all.
Yeah, some common themes there. Certification, delivery, the SLATE project. We are trying to get good data. We're trying to get accurate information so that we can help our libraries. So yeah, thank you all for who participated in that and help us out with that. We really appreciate it. Well, that will do it for Rails Minute. And as always, you can submit questions or topic ideas to the Rails communications team, communications@railslibraries.org. A reminder that you can access the Rails Minute as a podcast. Subscribe wherever you listen and never miss an episode. Monica, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you so much for watching.